Hello and welcome to the 22nd episode of the Persimmon Challenge. I'm your host, Jory Caron. I'm going to be honest, this last week has been a little difficult. Girlfriend broke up. We broke up. And I forgot how much I enjoyed connecting with people on YouTube. Before I did this Persimmon Challenge, it had been probably 2 years since I had made a video, and just reconnecting with everyone has been great. Let's get into eating this persimmon. Either way, I guess what I'm saying is have people in your life you can talk to. Persimmon. People who show more support than a persimmon would be good. This is not good.
Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for persimmons.